Falls. A tornado warning remains in effect until 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:15 a.m. Central Standard Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located over Holiday, or 15 miles north of Wichita Falls, moving north at 30 miles per hour. This is a tornado emergency for Wichita County until 3:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. Hazard: a destructive tornado and ping-pong ball-sized hail. Source: trained weather spotters and emergency management confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris can be deadly to those caught without shelter. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and trees. Complete destruction is highly possible. Neighborhoods will be unrecognizable to survivors due to extensive amount of damage.
Shelter-in-place warning has been declared for Wichita County. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Wichita Police Department in the conjunction of the National Weather Service in Norman. The supercells that happened at 3 to 7 p.m. had left widespread damage across the northern half of Texas. Now another supercell that had produced a long track and destructive tornado is heading to the metropolitan area of Wichita Falls. If you are in Wichita Falls, get underground now. This tornado is rain-wrapped. Do not wait to hear or see this tornado. Multiple reports that above shelters has been reported swept away or gone like it was never there. And reports that homes were obliterated or swept away. Get underground now. Anyone that is on the north and south side of Wichita Falls are urged to take underground shelter.
If you are in the south or north side of Wichita Falls, get underground now. The tornado is entering the city limits.